I was born in the age of the infinite scroll, where truth is a hashtag and screens take their toll. But deep in my marrow, I long for the flame, for banners and ballads and unbranded names. So hand me a chalice, a cloak and a rune, a map drawn in symbols, a song out of tune. I'm done with the algorithms called stairway. I ride with the myth and the medieval rain. In linen and silence, I wander the trees, with lutes in my earbuds and mud on my knees. The future is plastic, the present too loud. I'd rather be no one than lost in the crowd. So here's to the dreamers with rings made of gold, who traded their Wi-Fi for ritual smoke. A toast to the bastards of pixels and stone in kingdoms